My name is Jackson, and I'm going to be showing you how to take care of trumpet, how to clean and take care of your trumpet. So there's my trumpet, and things I need. So in this case, kind of simple. You have a place for the cloth. You have the silica gel, the trumpet, of course, and the reed. And if you didn't, I don't think you can see, but there's this black thing right here. It goes right in that hole, right there. And you put the mouthpiece right in there. So you grab the mouthpiece, take the trumpet out, put it in. You don't twist it. Like that. Now, to clean it, you grab the cloth, and the cloth is used to wipe down your trumpet so there isn't any fingerprints. And to flip it over for the other side, you grab it with the cloth, and then just do it like this. Like that. And to clean out all the spit, you do this. There's the trumpet. What you do is you open these things like that, and you blow. So this. Goes the mouthpiece. So like this. I think it did the job. And that's how you clean your trumpet.